Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fund Venmo account. Alright, let's get started. So here you can see on the official Venmo website you have a guide to add money to your Venmo balance. So unfortunately Venmo does not work in my country, otherwise I would show you by doing these steps. However, if you follow the steps that are given in this article, you will be able to add balance to your Venmo account. So here you can see, first what you have to do is open your Venmo application, and once you do that you can see the option for me. Click on that me option and tap on add money. Then what you have to do is select your bank account or debit card. After that, enter your account and choose what funding source you want to use. Then what you have to do is just click on add, and once you do that you can fund your Venmo account. So that's it. That's how you'll be able to add money to your Venmo and fund your Venmo like this. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.